Believe in God, believe in yourself. Remember, God's strength is made perfect in our weakness. And I want to encourage each and everyone to get more closer to God and take more challenges, because every challenges give you a lesson, and that lesson will not go away from you. That will get you till the end of your journey. So let's collect more stories, let's experience more, and then let's pull up each other and always stay love, and God bless you.
Today's scripture portion will be taken up from the book of John chapter 12 verse 24. Verily, verily, I say unto you, except a corn of wheat fall into the ground and die, it abideth alone. But if it die, it bringeth forth much fruit. God is right.
The power of falling to the ground. Himang takra si gira bisiti takra baru. How much powerful when it fall down to the ground? This verse is speaking by Jesus, directly pointing towards his death and resurrection. Right? He's pointing towards his crucifixion. And he used this analogy, the metaphorical statement of single seeds, and it gives a deep meaning, deep spiritual meaning. From this message, what we learn? The power of surrender, the power of sacrifices. And let's sacrifice, surrender, like Jesus. When we humble ourselves, when we give our lives, surrender to Jesus.
Sacrifice. Our brother has explained it thoroughly what sacrifice. Sacrifice is difficult when we don't have anything, but we try to extend our hands to our people.